Hello, and welcome to a journey through India's vibrant history, where ancient dynasties, timeless traditions, and monumental achievements come together to weave the rich tapestry of a nation. From the mighty Mauryas to the visionary Mughals, these rulers not only shaped India's borders but also its soul, leaving behind legacies in art, literature, language, and architecture that continue to inspire. Let's embark on this historical odyssey, exploring the echoes of India's past that continue to shape its present. Ready to dive into the fascinating world of India's dynasties, monuments, literature, languages, and cultures? Let's unearth the gems of history together. 1. Maurya Dynasty, 321 to 185 BCE. Architecture, the Ashokan pillars and stupas. Literature, Arthashastra by Kautilya. Significant contributions: unification of India, spread of Buddhism. 2. Gupta Dynasty, 322–550 CE. Architecture, temples like the Dashwatara temple. Literature, Kalidasa's works, example Shakuntala. Significant contributions: Golden Age of India, advancements in science and arts. 3. Chola Dynasty, 9th to 13th century CE. Architecture, Brihadiswara Temple. Literature, Tamil literature flourished. Significant contributions: naval power, spread of culture to Southeast Asia. 4. Delhi Sultanate, 1206 to 1526 CE. Architecture, Qutub Minar, Alai Darwaza. Literature, Persian poets like Amir Khusro. Significant contributions: introduction of Indo-Islamic culture, architecture. 5. Vijayanagar Empire, 1336 to 1646 CE. Architecture, Virupaksha Temple, Hampi. Literature, flourishing of Sanskrit and regional languages. Significant contributions: renowned for art and architecture. 6. Mughal Empire, 1526 to 1857 CE. Architecture, Taj Mahal, Red Fort. Literature, Akbarnama, poetry of Mirza Ghalib. Significant contributions: fusion of cultures, administrative reforms. 7. Maratha Empire, 1674 to 1818 CE. Architecture, hill forts like Raigad. Literature, Bhakti poetry, Marathi literature. Significant contributions: resistance against Mughal rule, administrative reforms. 8. Sikh Empire, 1799 to 1849 CE. Architecture, Gurudwaras, such as Harimandir Sahib. Literature, Sikh scriptures, poetry. Significant contributions: military prowess, cultural renaissance. 9. Rajput kingdoms, 7th to 19th century CE. Architecture, forts and palaces like Jaipur and Udaipur. Literature, Rajasthani poetry, folklore. Significant contributions: valor and chivalry, architectural splendor. Thus, we conclude our brief voyage into India's past, merely brushing against the surface of a land shaped by over 100 dynasties. But this is just the prologue. Prepare for an epic exploration as we delve into every state, unraveling the tales of rulers, monumental legacies, diverse cultures, and culinary delights. Join us as we journey into the heart of India's story.